Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can hide followers on Instagram. So the first thing that we want to do is to open your Instagram app. And then, go to your profile page. Just tap on this profile icon at the bottom. It will then direct you here. Next, tap on this menu icon at the top. It will then direct you to these following options. But we will focus on settings and activity. Now scroll down until you see account privacy. Just tap on that. And then you'll see right here private account. We will now going to turn on or enable this button to make your account private. And then if your account is private, it will automatically hide your followers. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!